How to fix FPS drops in games using the NVIDIA app. Hey everyone! If you're experiencing FPS drops while gaming and you're using the NVIDIA app, this guide will show you how to fix the problem. First, go to your desktop, right-click on an empty area, and select Show More Options, then click NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it there, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA Control Panel, and launch it. In the NVIDIA Control Panel, click Manage 3D Settings from the left sidebar, then stay on the Global Settings tab. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu and change it to Disabled, then click Apply in the bottom right corner. Restart your computer to save the changes. After your PC restarts, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA app, and launch it. Go to the Drivers section on the left. Choose the correct driver type. Game Ready driver if you mainly use your PC for gaming. Studio driver if you use your PC for creative work or general productivity. Select the appropriate driver, click Download, and install the latest version. Once the installation is complete, open the Start menu again and search for Disk Cleanup. Launch the tool, click Clean Up System Files, then scroll down and check the box for DirectX Shader Cache. Click OK, then select Delete Files to clear the cache. Next, reopen NVIDIA Control Panel and go back to Manage 3D Settings. Find Shader Cache Size again, open the drop-down menu, and set it to Driver Default. Click Apply to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer one more time. After the restart, your FPS drops should be resolved, and your games should run much more smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe for more helpful PC gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.